That's her own fault.
No. She could drive 17.
She could, but she's got to.
Drive 17 because she did drive 17, but her husband was 16 to drive 68. Somebody else got 68. She had to drive 17 and she drove.
But you know what I mean? She should have, before she took the job, she should have thought of how tall she needs to be to reach the pedals and see over the steering wheel. She should have thought about that. Because that's, it's not.
If she couldn't do that route, then they should not gave her a route that she could do.
Nope, they shouldn't have. But you know how it is she's one of their girls up there. So she's going to get what she wants when she wants it. And I see she done beat you in here today. So even though you do come in last, they still let you go in first.